Hey everybody, Sean Tierney here from theautomationschool.com, and in today's episode I'm going to show you how to get data from your Allen Bradley PLC into Excel using RSLinx Classic. Now here you can see I have RSLinx Classic up, and I want to mention one thing. Let me switch over here to Proposal Works. For this to work, you cannot use the free RSLinx Classic Lite. You need to purchase either RSLinx Classic Single Node, OEM, or Gateway. Now, Single Node will give you unlimited connections, unlimited tag connections in a single PLC, where OEM will give you unlimited tag connections in unlimited number of PLCs. So keep that in mind. Those are the two differences. Now, if you're doing OPC, there's a newer product from Rockwell called Factory Talk Gateway, which you should check out. I think 5,000 tags is about $700. But if you already have RSLinx Classic Single Node or OEM, then this tutorial is for you. So let's go back over to my other VM. And here you can see I'm bringing in data from an L16. This is a Compact Logix and another Compact Logix, an L23. I got a Flex Logix here behind me, an L34. I got two Micro Logix, a 1100 and a 1400. I got a 505, and I even have a PLC 5, which I'm connecting to through Control Logix Gateway. Now, how am I reading all this data in live from those PLCs? Well, let me show you what I did over here. And let's go to this new tab, and I'll select this top cell. And the first thing you want to do is find the PLC you're interested in. So in this case, we're going to do the L61, which is right here. Then the next thing you want to do is create an OPC topic or a DDE topic for that PLC. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to do configure new OPC DDE topic, and I'm going to call it L61. And the other thing I'm going to do here is change the data collection so it's faster. By default, it's 1 second or 1,000 milliseconds. I don't want that. I want 50 milliseconds. That's fast. So we'll check that and click on apply. And yes. Now, of course, if your network can't handle that type of speed, then you need to slow it down, especially if you have an old Data Highway Plus that's loaded with stuff. You don't want to overload it by trying to request data too often. All right, so with that said, that's the first part. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Edit, Copy, DDE, OPC link to Clipboard. Okay, and here I'll browse through my L61 I just created. I'll go right online. And let me go down to my system timers. This is my code from my VUSC Basics course. And in there I have a 1 second timer. We'll do the 5 second timer here. And we will choose the accumulate value. Excellent. Okay, I'll click on OK there. And now I'm over here in Excel. This is Excel 2016. I'm going to right click and I'm going to do a paste special. I'm going to do a paste link. So there's a link between the 2 points and the data will constantly update. So let's go ahead and click on OK. And in mere moments, you'll see the accumulate value of that timer come in. Now I'm going to go ahead and copy this information right here. And I'm going to paste it into my other Control Logix cells here, or Compact Logix cells. And the only thing I need to do to change these is change the shortcut here. So this would be L16. And this one would be, I already set these up earlier, L23. Okay, for the L34, I don't have a system timer on it. I have a different program in it. So let's go ahead and browse for that one. We will go to Edit, Copy. We will go through the BizBikes here, online, go to the Bend program. There's a motion accumulate value we'll grab. Click on OK. And then here we'll click on Paste Special, Paste Link, and OK. And there it is. So we're getting that live data too. So if we want to do that again for my Micro Logix and my SLC 500 and PLC 5, we can just do that here. We'll go to Edit, Copy, go down to, let's see, where is my, here it is, my 1100 online timer. This time we'll go for T430, ACC. Okay, and now I'll do a right click, paste special, paste link. Excellent. And I'll do a copy, paste, and paste. And here I'll just change this to 1766. And this one I believe was SLC 505. Okay, so I'll show you one more time using the PLC 5 here. All we have to do is come down to, let's see, that's going to be through my EMBT, out my DHRIO, and we'll do Data Highway Plus. We'll let it browse, and you can see my PLC 520 right here. I'll right-click and do Create New DDE OPC Topic. This time I'll call it PLC 520. Okay, excellent. I'll do Done. Oh, you know what? Before I do Done, let me speed it up here. This time we'll make it 500 instead of 50. See if it comes in a little bit slower. I'll select Yes. I'll select Done. And now, let's go ahead and do an Edit Copy. I'll choose my PLC 520 here, my new shortcut I just made, or topic I just made. And I'll go down to T4:30.acc, and I'll do a paste link right here. Paste special, paste link, and here it comes. And you can see it's coming in much slower because I changed the update rate from 50 to 500. And with that, that's how easy it is to get data from your Allen Bradley programmable controller, whether it be ControlLogix, CompactLogix, MicroLogix, SLC 500, PLC 5, to get those data values into Excel using RSLinx Classic. Again, single node or OEM would work great. You can use Gateway if you want, but Lite does not work. Now, if you want to know how to read a whole bunch of words in all at once, or write a whole bunch of values right at once, there is in the RSLinx Classic Help, if you search on Excel, there's a example macros in there that shows you how to do that. And it's pretty cool because you can tell it what range of cells you want to read from and then where to put it in the PLC or vice versa. So a lot of people like to do that so they can take a bunch of recipe values and download it from their spreadsheet right into their PLC or vice versa. Now what I showed you right now is just how to get data from your controllers to Excel or vice versa. Data logging is a totally different feature, and some of these controllers actually have data logging instructions built in or sample code on the sample code website. So if you really need to do data logging, look at those options as well as something you could do in an HMI or a SCADA package, because that's a very popular feature of those packages as well. So like a Panel View Plus or Factory Talk View. But if you just need to get data from Excel or to Excel from your Allen Bradley programmable controllers, RSLinx Classic and Excel work very well together, as you saw in this video. And with that said, if you found this video helpful, please consider giving me a like and a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about what I did today, please feel free to post them in my free forums over at theautomationforums.com. And if you know anybody who'd like to learn how to program Allen Bradley PLCs or PACs, ControlLogix or MicroLogix or Panel View Pluses or View SE, please send them over to theautomationschool.com, where I make a living teaching courses. And until next time, peace.